when we talk about the testimony of Melanie Gibb, she was the perfect witness to sort of lay the foundation for the narrative of the state's case. I mean, she gave motive, she gave conspiracy testimony, and really sort of a deeper dive into all their beliefs.
Absolutely agree with you, and I want to keep in mind that even first-degree murder, it can be not that they were there, but that they did act and encourage the killing of. So I think it really plays into that narrative.
Yeah, no question about it. Let's bring in our guest for this hour. Joining us is celebrity civil litigator John Phillips. John, let me ask you this question. Great to see you, John, by the way. Truly appreciate you being with us. We were talking here off camera saying, you know, does she really believe this stuff? And let's say she really believes this stuff, right? That these kids were, in fact, dark and they had zombies in them. So did Tammy, so did Charles, or whatever. Will that make a difference? Because she still knew that she was eliminating human beings.
Yeah, I mean, that was the exact same question that I have in my mind that I don't know if we'll ever figure out. Did she really believe the zombie, you know, portal thing? Is this her true religion, or is this a kind of story, right? Or some combination thereof? But it doesn't matter. At the end of the day, this isn't the case where, you know, you have a family that believes that their children shouldn't go to the doctor, right? And so you've got a religious hierarchy you need to weigh, even though it was neglect and possible, you know, murder. This is way darker. I mean, for a parent to think their own children are inhabited by zombies, goodness gracious.
Yeah, it's really tough for me to swallow. I'm just going to be transparent, gentlemen, to hear the jury, and I have always found juries are diligent, they pay attention, they're writing all these notes. Chanley's in the courtroom watching this, and as they're writing all these notes, I mean, John, how can a defense win when you have this kind of testimony? And it goes to the elements of the crimes, the conspiracy and the murder charges that are being sought by the state.
You know, this is one witness, so the facts will change, they will evolve, but just reading kind of the live Twitter feed of the description, and look, we all knew going into this that she was called the cult mom, right? But sometimes we just pick words that sound, you know, fancy, but truly she is the cult mom, and that was exhibited all throughout today. But again, it's one witness from reading the description and certainly hearing what your wonderful team has come up with and reported on the defense. The other thing that I heard is they tried to impeach her on witness preparation. There was nothing, you know, dynamite about the defense attack, but let's see how this thing progresses. But it was definitely a good day for the prosecution.
I have one other question really quickly. Because you're a celebrity attorney, she's really gained celebrity status. She's really known all over the world because of these crimes. Does that affect this trial quickly?
It does. Anytime you've got a high profile or celebrity defendant, there's so many outside influences, and it does affect it.
Fascinating. I mean, Michael, this is a case I can't turn away from. Even though we can't have cameras, we're getting these great live reports from Chanley and all the audio following day or two, and it is something else. All right, John, you're going to stay with us. You can listen to the full trial of Idaho versus Lori Vallow Daybell on the Court TV.